Hello everyone, welcome to page Multimedia Rise. My name is Lida and today we will continue our lesson 4. Okay? The first word is sun. Sun. Spell S-O-N. Sun. For example, she has 2 sons. She has 2 sons. Second word is obey. Obey. Spell O-B-E-Y. Obey. For example, please obey your parents. Please obey your parents. Third word is brother. Brother. Spell B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. For example, I have one younger brother. I have one younger brother. Okay, fourth is wrong. Wrong. Spell W-R-O-N-G. Wrong. For example, this is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. Okay, the last one is life. Life. Spell L-I-F-E. Life. For example, Jesus saved my life. Jesus saved my life. Okay, please repeat after me. Son. Son, obey, obey, brother, brother, wrong, wrong, and life, life. Okay, thank you so much for spending time in this video. Please don't forget to make a sentence or sentences by using the words that we just learned, and please comment it down below. And if you do it right, we will give you a thumbs up, and if not, we will have check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, God bless you.